So, if you're using an Apple TV, I've got good news. Apple has officially rolled out tvOS 26.2, and I've been hands-on with it to show you exactly what's new. First off, if your Apple TV isn't showing the update right away, a quick restart can help. After restarting and checking again under Settings, System, Software Updates, tvOS 26.2 shows up correctly. Once installed, you'll see the new version listed as tvOS 26.2 with the latest build number. Now, let's talk about what actually changed. Change number 1. Improved, What's New, screen. Apple has refreshed the update screen so it's no longer repeating old tvOS 26.0 highlights. It's cleaner, clearer, and easier to understand what's actually relevant now. Change number 2. Better profile setup. Profiles were introduced earlier, but tvOS 26.2 improves them in a big way. You can now create a profile without immediately signing into an Apple account. This is perfect for guests or kids. Change number 3. Custom profile icons and names. When creating a new profile, you can choose a name, select a fun icon, and clearly identify who the profile belongs to. It feels much more personal than before. Change number 4. Expanded kids profiles and content controls. You can now mark a profile as a kid's profile and quickly apply age-appropriate TV and movie restrictions. These controls apply to the Apple TV app, while app-wide parental controls remain in system settings. Change number 5. Apple TV app rebranding. You'll notice the Apple TV app icon is now more colorful, and throughout the system, Apple has removed most Apple TV Plus wording. It's now simply called Apple TV, including inside settings in the library section. Change number 6. Bug fixes and stability improvements. This update fixes an annoying AirPods audio delay bug that affected AirPods Pro users, where sound would play in one ear first. Profile selection on wake is also fixed, and overall system stability feels better than the original tvOS 26.0 release. On top of that, tvOS 26.2 includes important security patches, fixing issues related to WebKit, system stability, and potential exploits. These aren't flashy changes, but they're extremely important. So should you update? In my experience, yes. tvOS 26.2 feels more stable, fixes real bugs, improves profiles, and tightens security. Just make sure your AirPods are updated too if you use them with Apple TV. That's it for this hands-on look at tvOS 26.2. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Apple updates, and I'll see you in the next one.